Hello, hi and namaste to you my all dear students. So, today once again with the new topic. I am here for the grade 5 students. Grade 5, are you ready over there? I hope so you are ready. Now listen students, last time in previous class we have learned about so many things. What are they? Have you remembered it or not? Okay, that first we are learning about numbers, properties of numbers, right? And then after touching about factor method, process of finding factors with division method and factor tree method. With related that topic, let's have another much more important topic is how to find out the HCF and LCM. So, have you heard about HCF and LCM before or not? If you heard, very good. If you are not heard, then listen to me very carefully, okay? So, HCF, it is the short form of highest common factor, and LCM means it's a lowest common multiples. LCM, lowest common multiples. Do you understand? Okay students, we are going to find out the HCF and LCM. Okay, first one is we are going to find out the HCF. So have a look over here. HCF mean highest common factor, also you can write it. Highest common factors. So find the HCF of 12 and 20. Okay students, I have taught you this one through the division method, right? Now let's have a look for the division method once again. Let's divide the 12 and 20 separately through the division method. Okay, ready? So let's divide it here. 12 and 20 should be divided separately. So 2 times 6, 2 times 3 is 6, right? Same like that. Here also we can go on. 2 times 10 is 20 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now, let's write the numbers of this factor. So, 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Why I am writing here 2 into 2 into 3? Do you know? They are the common multiples of 12 and 20 also. Let's write it 2 times 2 times 5. This is the common multiples of 20. So, for the highest multiples, highest common factor, we are going to make a pair of the number, okay? So, shall we make a pair? See here which number are same and repeated in both sides. Let's put a circle for that number. Okay, 2 is at here also and down also, right? They are pair of the 12 and 20. So, make a circle like this way, or we can make it long straight circle, right? This one. And second one, here is also pair. 2 has a pair of down number also, right? 12 also have another 2 and 20 also have another 2. So, make it a circle for 2 and 2. Now, next is 3. Does it have another common pair 3 at down? No. And 5, is there any other common pair? There isn't, right? So, we are not taking these two number. Only the common multiples, or we can say common pair, we can take from this number. Okay, now HCF. Now tell me student, HCF means highest common factor. So how to find out? So whatever written over here, right? So write down HCF of 12 and 20 equals to 2. Let's take one time, another 2, let's take one time. So multiply it and it will be 4. Now you can say that the greatest common factor or we can say it greatest number of HCF is 4. Are you getting me? I hope you can solve it now. So student, can you say that the common factor of 12 and 20 can divide them exactly by 4? Can we divide 12 and 20 exactly by 4? Yes. 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 5 is 20. Both side 4 is coming, right? It's 2 is repeated 2 times and here also repeated for 2 times. So 4. 4 is the highest or greatest common factor. Can we say the common factor of 12 and 20 can divide them exactly, and the greatest common factor of 12 and 20 is 4. Can we write it? Okay. Now student, next question for you about LCM. I hope you can do the HCF like this way, right? So let's do the LCM, lowest common multiples. Now we are going to find out the multiples. Let's do it, okay? Again through the division method. Okay students, now have a look over here. HCF mean it's, you can write it the short form of HCF, right? Now you can write in the full form. HCF, the full form of HCF is highest common factors. Same like here, the full form of LCM is lowest common multiples. Okay students, now I have one question for you, that is find the LCM of 8 and 12. We are going to solve this problem once again through the division method. So let's write the division method of 8 and 12. They will put in the same place, okay? We are going to find out the LCM, lowest common multiples. That's why we are going to put both digits in the same place, in a same division form. Okay, now students, once again, let's divide with the smallest number, that is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 times 6 is 12. Once again, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now student, you have to find out the LCM. Therefore, LCM of 8 and 12 equals 2. Let's multiply all these numbers because they are the multiples, right? Let's multiply all this number now. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. What will be the answer? You can write over here 2 times 2, 4. 4 2 times is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay. So student, the common multiples of 8 and 12 exactly divisible by them. That means this 24 also can exactly divisible by 8 and 12. 8 times how many is 24? 8 how many times goes for 24? So can we see from here also, see here how to do, okay, check it. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Which number is left over here? 3. That means 8 times 3 is 24. Once again make another number, okay, 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And which number is left over there now? 2. That means 12 times 2 is 24. Can we write it? Can we make it like this way? Okay students, now can you say the smallest number means the LCM of 8 and 12. That smallest number of 8 and 12 is 24. Can we write it? Common multiples is 24. The common multiples of 8 and 12, we can say it's as a 24. Can we say it and write it like this way? Okay. Now, today one main topic. Let's enter to the main topic. I hope you can complete HCF and LCM in this way. at your home. You have to be practice on it, okay? Just go on practicing on HCF and LCM. So student, and the main topic, let's go for it, that is square and square numbers. Square and square numbers with square root also we will learn on it, okay? So square and square number mean what? Square root mean what? Let's have a look over here. When a number is multiplied by the same number, when a number is multiplied with the same number, the product is the square of the number. Are you getting me? When a number is multiplied by the same number, the product is square of the number, and the number itself is the square root of the square numbers. For example, have a look over here. Suppose we are going to find out the one number, okay. I have given you 1 as here. I need to multiply. When a number is multiplied, when this number is multiplied with the same number, that means if I multiply with the same number, 1 and 1, right? Then its product will be 1 square, then we say it 1 square as a 1. Same like here 2. 2 into 2 is, how many times is here? Same number is repeating and multiplying, right? 2 into 2 is 2 square. 2 times same number is multiplying. Okay, it's multiple for the 2 times. So same number is multiplying 2 times, that is 2 square. And the answer will be, it's a square root number. What will be the answer? It will be 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Same like here, let's learn the number. See here, 1. The square of 1 is 1, and the square of 2 is 2 into 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. Square of 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Let's go on writing also. 3 into 3 equals to 3 square equals to 9. 4 equals to 4 into 4. 4 times 4 is 4 square. It's a 16. Are you writing in your notebook also? Very good. You have to write in your notebook. 5. 5 times 5, that is 5 square. It's equals to 25. 6. 6 times 6 equals to 6 square, that is 36. 6 6 are 36. Right? It's times. So see here, up to 6 I have done over here. Let's do of 7 also add up. Okay student, let's do of 7. 7 equals to 7 into 7, that is 7 square equals to 49. 8. 8 into 8 times is 8 square, that is 64. 9. 9 into 9 is equals to 9 square, that is 81. So 10, you are in the number 10, right? So 10 means 10 into 10 equals to 10 square equals to its 100. Now grade 5, you have to learn the square numbers up to 20. Okay, up to here I hope you can do it easily, because these are the multiples which you have learned time and again. So might be there is no any confusion and doubt, right students? Okay, now let's go on learning up to 20, because it's 10 you have already done. Let's do of 11. Okay, are you getting me? Let's write down 11. Into 11 equals to 11 square, that is 121. Okay. And next is 12. 12 is, let's multiply for 2 times. That is 12 square equals to 144. 12 times is 144. Now 13. It's time for 13. Are you writing in your notebook or not, students? Please go on writing, okay? 13 times 13 is, it's a 13 square. It's 13 square mean 169. Okay. Now 14. 14 into 14 equals to 14 square equals to 196. It's time for the 15. 15 is 15 into 15. That is 15 square. That is 225. Same like 16. 16 into 16, that is 16 square. 16 square mean it's 256. Now 17. 17 into 17 equals to 17 square. That will be, the answer is 289. Now again let's write down the 18, 19 and 20. Okay. 18. 18 times 18 equals to 18 square. That means 324. 19. Can you write? 19 into 19 equals to 19 square. That will be 361. 20. 20 into 20 is 20 square. That means it's a 400. Is it? Okay, student. These are the square number which I have written from 1 to 20. So, grade 5 student, it's very important for you. You have to remember the square number up to 20 compulsorily. Okay, so you have to read and learn it time and again. Please try to recall it, remind it properly, okay? Otherwise, you can make a chart and paste in your wall also, so that you can remember it for a longer period of a time also. Okay. Now, student, we have discussed how to take out the square numbers, right? Do you have any idea how to find out the square root? Okay, let's have a look about the square root. Can we? Okay. Okay, students. Now, let's take out the square root of 144. How to find out the square root of 144? Let's do it through our division method. Okay, let's recall the division method once again. Let's do it from the division method. Have a look how to find out the 144. Same process, same way you can write it. So, let's divide it 144 with the first digit, that is 2, because it's even number, right? So, we are going to start it to factor that number through a prime number. That is what? Even prime number is 2. Let's write from the even prime number. Okay, let's factorize all the number through the even prime number first of all. 2, how many times is 144? Okay, 2, 72 times is 144, right? Again, let's divide it. 2, 36 times is 72. Again, 2, 18 times is 36. 2, 9 times is 18 and 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. Now, students, first of all, write down all this number in form of multiples. How to write? Okay, I will write over here. Now, see, 144 equals to 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go on writing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 times is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times is 2. 2 times is 3. Is it? Now make a pair friend. You know, right, how to make a pair friend. I have taught you in the even number. So make a pair friend of this number. So 2 and 2, let's make a pair. This 2 and this 2, make another pair. And down 1, 3 is another pair. From that pair, make one, write down only single digit. Okay. How many pairs are there altogether? 3 pairs, right? So we have to write down the 3 numbers. First pair is of 2, second pair is again from 2, and third pair is again from 3. Okay. So now can you multiply it? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So can we write here? Okay, students. Now, have you remembered before one square number? Okay, what is the square of 12? Let's check out what is the square of 12. Oh, it's 144. It's correct. Oh, 12. The square root of, if the square root of 144 is, how to find out? Square root of 144 is 12. Reverse. Okay. So, we can write it in form of, or student, you can write this one square. This one is the symbol for the square root. Okay. Square root of 144 is, this one answer can be written as a 12. Can we write it like this way? Obviously. So students, now let's have a short review from first. Right students? In numbers, we have learned about, tell me, what things we have learned? We are learning about odd number, even number, natural number, whole number, prime number, composite number, integers, right? Then after process of finding factors through division method and the factor tree method. Okay. Today we are learning about specially focused for how to find out the HCF and the top full form of HCF is as highest common factor and full form of LCM is lowest common multiples. And we are doing of square number, square numbers and square root. Right students? So in square, how to find out the square numbers? It's a double to multiply with the same number, right? Let's have a once again look for this one chart. When a number is multiplied by the same number, the product is the square of the number. So, and the number itself is the square root of the square number. So, from here we have found square of 1 to 20 and the square root as well. I hope you understand these all. Today's one topic, and you have to practice a lot at your home as well. Okay. After practicing, you will get a good marks. You will be perfect on your maths. Okay. This much for today. Stay safely at your home.